In this video I want to show you how to play parts from a banjo, music instrument, yeah, what you can see here in the picture. There are 40 of each. 40 of these hooks, 40 of these nuts underneath, whatever you want to call them. Yeah. Let's start. So I do them, I take them apart first of all. Well, not really. I'm only screw them on for a little tiny, only a tiny bit, that all the cleaner and activator, what I use, or activator, goes in every corner of the thread and everything. Sorry. Yes, put it in the activator. They're clean enough anyway. Put it in the activator. It cleans a little bit anyway. For about, if you do the first one, I would say 30-45 seconds, something like this. So the whole lot, you can see there's already plated, already finished. I'll show you now the easiest way. What I do always. I do quite a lot of them. There are 40 each, and it takes a long time to do them. Even if you only played, say, I'll take it out now. Sorry. Rinse. I've got 3 beakers because I do 40. It's deionized water, of course, just to don't contaminate. So now, because I put it in the first one again, because I touched it already with my gloves, and the gloves are contaminated with gold, of course, with gold solution. So now I start. Voltage about, in this case I think I use 4.5. You can't really see it on the right corner there. And then I hold, so I played the first one, this nut thing, whatever you want to call it. There's, of course,
it's 9:45.
It's 9:45. There are a few corners, 6 here. So I do one part, one corner each time, you can see, and then I turn it all the time. 6 times in this case. When I'm finished, I turn it around just to do the underneath a little bit, which is not really necessary. It's necessary because it's underneath. This what you see there, what I just played, this is underneath the banjo. You see it, but not very much. And this part as well, this thread, yeah, you don't really see because there's the nuts underneath. But I still played, of course, the whole lot. So, and this part inside you never touch. This is inside. The only thing what you really touch is the outside and the top. This part, what I played now. Yeah. So I played it for not long, because it doesn't need a lot of gold. And what I must say, the solution is, I put that 250 ml or 300 ml of gold solution in there, which was brand new. So it will, the more I played, the less gold is in the solution, of course. Yeah. And the reason is you take gold out, of course. There's 8 grams per liter in this solution at the moment, and it will be less and less and less the more you play it, of course. So you need to adjust a little bit the plating time after a while, and maybe put the voltage up after maybe 10-20. It is not much gold anyway. So while I played one piece, I put the other one in. Yes, you can see. Ching, put this in. Then I played the already activated one. I do also test. I've done tests before. Tape test. If it really sticks very well. If it doesn't, I change the activator. Because sometimes there's adhesion problems. If you use the activator also for too long, then you need to change it, the activator. And then you put a tape over and rip it off, yeah, over the gold. And then you can see the adhesion. I've got a video somewhere which shows you how the adhesion works. But you can see it when you take it out, there's no water break, so it looks good anyway. So only do this, job done. That's it basically. So I've got it done a few. I do like 10 or 20 at a time, and then clean them and sorry, and rinse them well, and that's it basically. Right, that's it. Please subscribe, switch on the bell for the next video, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Here are all my details: eBay shop, my website. You find the phone number, all the address on there, everything. You can call me if you want, leave comments if you want. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.